So for dinner, we're gonna make some vegan lentil balls. So I'm gonna do some chia seed eggs to hold everything together. I want 2 eggs, so I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and then we'll add 3 tablespoons of water. That's my chia seed tablespoon. I like to keep that one dry. One, 2, 3. Mix up a little bit. And then we're going to put these in the fridge for 3 minutes. Okay, so while our eggs are forming, then we are going to cut some tomatoes and onions for our meatballs. Okay, so now that will be plenty of tomatoes and onions for our lentil balls. And then here are our lentils. I tried to reserve about 1.5 cups yesterday. Now, I'm sure that you are much better at getting your stuff together ahead of time. I always try. I'm always like, all right, I got everything this time. But as we can see, I'm always forgetting all sorts of stuff, like a spoon. All right, so I'm hoping I've got about 1.5 cups left. Let's see how much I actually have. All right, that's about 1/2 cup. Please. All right, that's another 1/2 cup, so that's about 1 cup. Ooh, yay! I don't think it's a full half. It's close though. Okay, so almost 1.5 cups. There are our lentils, and we can go ahead and mix our vegetables in there. Ooh, I bet jalapeno would be yummy in here too. Okay. And then any seasonings that I want to do. Let's see, what do we want to do? I know I want to put a little bit of salt in here. That was a lot of salt. Let's just put that much in. Okay. And close would be good. Okay. And maybe some oregano. Do I have oregano still? Yeah, I do. Okay. And I bet our chia seeds are probably done. So let's see. It has been 4.5 minutes, so our chia eggs are probably done. All right. Nice and gelatinous-y here. So we're going to scoop our chia eggs into here. So that these can start to form together. I'm wondering, probably could have just put the chia seeds straight into here. Because there's so much liquid in the lentils themselves. So I think that I am going to do half a tablespoon. Oh wait, I have a teaspoon measuring thing. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds straight in there. I thought that was touching the inside. It's not. Just because there's so much extra liquid in my lentils this time. Okay. This is my first time playing with lentil balls. So let's see. I don't know if I want to put them on a cookie sheet or in a muffin tin. Will they hold their shape for long enough to cook? I have an itch. I think I've got an eyelash in my eye. Yeah, they're holding their shape, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 because that's a pretty nice number, and that's what it starts at when you just push start. It's pretty nice go-to. All right, parchment paper here. I have no idea if these are gonna stick or not, or if we'll make them more sticky or what. Let's just put some parchment paper down. Don't know how they're gonna turn out, but they look delicious, they sounded delicious, and I think that this is gonna be fantastic and delicious. I feel like I'm making some pretty giant lentil balls, which is funny because they sound like little balls. Okay. I feel like I need to shape that one more. There we go. There we go. These really do hold their shape pretty nicely. So I guess we'll see if they hold their shape as well when they come out. I imagine so. Okay, so there's only one more left, so let's just go for it. We're gonna grab it out of here. Grab that sucker out of there. Okay. Now, I'm not a big fan of waiting for the oven to preheat, so I probably should have preheated it like before I started cooking, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these in there while the oven's still preheating. I think it'll be fine. Woo! All right. So I'm gonna check on those in maybe like 10 minutes and we'll see where they're at. All right, so these lentil balls, if you will, are just about done. So let's pull them out. I snuck one off of the rack. Okay. Oh my gosh, they hold their shape so well. Oh, I want to grab a fork. Because if I can grab it with a fork, that means I can dip it in sauce. Ah, I can. That's a winner. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe below and follow me on my blog, doitwithdaisy.com. Waffles, jump. Good job. We'll see you next time.